Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve mobile data problem on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Then from here you just scroll like this, okay? And here on the down you are going to find this system option, so you have to move on system. When you move on system, here you have to click on this reset options. After that you are going to find this feature, so from here you have to move this reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Okay, click on it. Then here click on reset setting. When you click on reset setting, the problem of Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem and Bluetooth problem will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, you can solve like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.